Hi guys, so today welcome back to another satisfying slime video. Okay, I'm sure you probably guys have a lot of questions, and I'm sure why, because, well, you're wondering, some of you probably don't know what slime is, and I probably think you're crazy, and yeah, so relax and hear the sound. Wow, nice big sugary slime. My slime is too gorgeous, and my slime is, and I have one question about can you give me your slime? Well, the reason I don't want to give away the slime is because it is too gorgeous, and I worked too hard to find it. Hold on, I gotta go through this. Okay, so let's do this again. I love slime. Slime is the best. And look how stretchy this slime is. Oh yeah. Beautiful slime. And I love it. And look at it just scoop. Okay. And the coolest thing I like about it is that when it gets stuck to something, it comes right off.
Oh no, here, I'll go down. I know they're down there. I'll go down here. I'll answer that. Oh, yeah, I just control it. Can you check that one? This is fine.
And watch the basket. Sir, okay guys, that is it for today. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye.